In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. We all know how important organization is when it comes to managing projects, and Asana makes it quite simple. To start, you'll want to open the specific project or the My Tasks section where you'd like to tidy up and organize your work. Once you're in the right area, look for the More Actions menu. This is usually represented by a little three-dot icon somewhere on your screen. It's pretty easy to spot, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Now, when you click on that three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select the Add Section option. This action allows you to create a new category for your tasks, which is essential for keeping things clear and organized as your project progresses. After selecting Add Section, a new box will pop up, prompting you to type in a name for your section. It's best to choose a descriptive name that accurately reflects the particular phase of the project or category you are working on. For instance, you might use titles like To Do, In Progress, or Completed, or even something more specific like Design Phase or Client Feedback. Once you've typed in the name of your new section, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will finalize your section title and save it in your project. And just like that, you've added your first section. Now comes the fun part, organizing your tasks. You might have existing tasks that you want to move into your new section. Simply drag and drop these tasks into the section you've just created. This simple maneuver really helps to tidy up your project and makes your layout look much more streamlined. Feel free to repeat this process and add as many sections as you need. The flexibility Asana gives you allows for a structure that fits your project like a glove. You can create sections for various phases of the project, different team responsibilities, or any way that helps you visualize and manage your tasks more effectively. As you go along, take a step back now and then to check your result. You might find that reorganizing tasks not only clears up confusion, but also enhances productivity. It's a fantastic way to ensure that your project remains navigable and clearly structured. So there you have it. You've learned how to seamlessly add sections in Asana and how to utilize them to keep your projects running smoothly. It's a straightforward process that makes a big difference in how you manage your workload. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.